Hello, my name is Kansa Biguntoro. I want to respond to the Indonesia vs Bahrain match. The Bahrain versus Indonesia national team match, which ended 2-2 at the Bahrain National Stadium Thursday, is still a hot topic of conversation for football fans in the country. The discussion is not only about the failure of Jai Ideas at all, scoring the 3 points that were in sight, or the poor performance of River Ahmed Alkaf, who led the match off the field, but more globally, namely the course of the game, which was less enjoyable to watch. Regarding this game, which was not pleasant to watch, was conveyed by on the National Football Observes Gusnul Yakin, the man who has coached several clubs in the Indonesian league, did not even hesitate to judge the third matchday match against Bahrain to be the worst match for the Indonesian national team. In my opinion, Bahrain's match with Indonesia is the worst matchday during the third round of qualifying for the World Cup in the ASEAN zone for Group C, said Gusnul Yakin. Of course, there is a reason behind the assessment. Group C has played a total of 9 matches. Many matches were filled with intrigue, and the final score was unexpected, such as the Indonesian national team record of matching the two ASEAN giants regular at the World Cup, Saudi Arabia and Australia. This also includes Japan's Mike when scoring goals against China 700 and Bahrain 500. Bahrain also gave a surprise, beating Australia 0-1 in the opening match. I think any fan want their team to win. However, he also want to be treated to a quality game. How coaches compete with well, these two elements were damaged in the Bahrain versus Indonesia national team match. He explained among the 6 countries in Group C, continued the football observed from Malang, Bahrain is the most annoying. But the national team and their supporter, it's okay for Bahrain to use a negative football strategy, but if it goes too far, it will become annoying after a while. Their supporters are also unsportsmanlike, like lighting laser against Japan, said Gusnul Yakin. Gusnul Yakin admitted that he had observed the negative football used by Bahrain against Australia on the first match day. Bush parking defense is part of the game strategy. However, I don't like the drama of players often falling with just the slightest nudge. Moreover, they act of attract the referee's attention and play the tempo of the match. So, the game is often stopped because of unsportsmanlike behavior like that, he said. Gusnul Yakin became increasingly annoyed because, ironically, referee Ahmed Alkaf often responded to the acting of the Bahrain national team players. The river often tolerates the action of Bahrain players. There are indeed moments when the river ignores this acting. However, the rivers behave like that after he might get bored of seeing the drama. Explained the 68-year-old man. For Gusnul Shur, additional time was delayed from 6 to 9 minutes. However, he saw no reason to delay the final whistle because there were no incidents that would reduce team from the stipulated injury time allowance. In Australia match against China, injury time also exceeded the limit. However, the game situation was still favorable for both teams because Australia and China were in attacking position and had the opportunity to score goals, said the former Persik Kediri coach.